Hi everyone, and today I'm back with my sunset scene. So you can see it's very pretty. I'm back with the Strive League challenge 2 of making a house with AI. So you can see I not only made one house, just two houses. Actually, two houses. You can see one has a triangular roof and the other has a rectangular roof. So I'll tell you my story of making it. So first I made on the prompt one it came like this. It's not that good like the door is on the top, the house should be at the bottom, and those circles you see are the flowers, but they have to be on the grass. So oh, the prompt is I asked it to make a colorful city house on with the sun here and the moon on the other side, with a door and two windows, and it should be on the ground and on top of the ground. That was a mistake. So and I asked it to make three rainbow circular flowers, but it's positioned wrong. Then I gave a prompt 2, which was the house should be on top of the green grass. So this is my second prompt to improve the first prompt, which was there, but it still doesn't look quite right. The roof should be on top, and the door is holding the house, and the chimney and the smoke are not positioned quite right. But the flowers, sun and clouds are nice. I made some changes in it, and I made this. Now it looks. I fixed everything. Now you see it looks quite nice. Then I thought of designing it looking different. I added some color changes, and I added one big daisy white flower, and the now it looks like a sunset a bit. But still there's more to go. Then I made some more houses. I gave a prompt 3 to add a colorful a neighboring two-story colorful house with some nice glass windows, just with a balcony next to the house we just have. But as you can see, it's not there. So I gave a prompt 4 and asked the AI. My second house isn't visible, so please debug the code. And I got this. But you see, the grass. You see the first house that we made is on top of the grass, but the neighboring house, which is the two-story, is not quite positioned right. Then I fixed that, and I gave a prompt 5. I thought, I asked the AI, please explain the balcony code and move the balcony to the middle of the house. And I added two birds, which are eclipses, on the top right of our canvas, and on the left side, and a tree on the left side under the sun. But you can see it's on top of the sun, on the sun, so it doesn't look quite right. Oh, Mr. Tree, please come down. Then it won't come, so we have to code it to come down. So then I fixed it, and I thought I'll add a lamp also. And finally, I added some text, sunset scene by Saachi, and the final house is here. Doesn't it look pretty and look like the one we seen earlier? So this is how you can code things by AI. So always remember, if you are making some code with AI, don't forget, you should always use your own creativity too. Not only the AI. It'll never make out always what you think it will turn out to be. So use your coding skill to debug what looks simple. So, like me. So, this is how you can make your sunset scene, creativity, and use AI. It's your you can design it, and the AI can help you. AI is for helping you, not just to create what you think you really want it. Sometimes you have to fix up some things and many things, some things, lots of things in the AI. So always remember to debug and use the AI. So I'm saying hello to AI and bye to you. Bye.